welcome back to the Brewer Family channel. Today, we are going to be making Oobleck. And I have my brother Kanan here, and he's going to be helping me. So, the ingredients you will need are a measuring cup, food coloring if you choose, any kind of cornstarch, a cup of water, a mixing tool, and a cute little bowl. Okay.
It doesn't have to be cute.
Yeah. Okay, so Kanan's going to start, and he is going to get me the water and pour it in the bowl. 1 cup. Good. Stop. Okay, and then get another cup of water. Stop. Stop. Stop drinking the water. Stop. This is not for you.
I'll be back. I'm gonna go get his.
Okay, so our little dog is drinking our Oobleck water. You silly, silly boy. Okay, let's just let him drink that, because he's not going to move.
Got his.
Okay.
Oh, where's the spell?
Oh, dude, that's enough. Okay.
Ready?
Here's your water. Okay. So, Kanan, please give me 2 scoops again. Scoops. 2 scoops of water.
Scoops again.
2. No.
No, you have your own
Okay.
right there.
I got it. No, 3 right now. Do 2 and then 3. 2. And then after the 3rd, we're gonna do 1 more cup of water. Okay. Good, until it about looks like this. Okay, so now, if you want to add food coloring, here's a tip. Add it right after you put it in the water, because after you add the cornstarch and you mix, instantly it's going to become very thick. So if you're going to put food coloring, help me open that, please. Never mind, I got it. If you're going to put food coloring, put it in the water. So we're going to do 1 drop of red and 1 drop of blue.
I open.
Here, I'll help. 1 drop of red and 1 drop of blue.
No, I want blue.
Okay, add another drop of blue, please. Thank you, good. Now put the top on for me, and you're gonna mix that. We just wanted to make it like a darker blue and a purple. And there's the purple color you made. Okay, so now,
I didn't know blue and red made a purple.
now I'm going to do 2 scoops.
Can I do it?
Scoops of our cornstarch.
do it?
No, you did the water. So I'm going to do 1 scoop starting with and mix that. So you're going to add 1 scoop.
Is that all?
And then you're going to do another scoop. And instantly, like, you can definitely see it thickening. Like, look. It's getting real hard to mix. And now I'm going to add another scoop, because it's way too liquidy now for being Oobleck. 1 more scoop. Okay. Now we're going to mix this up until it gets real thick. And it is still liquidy.
Liquidy.
It is. Okay, so now I'm going to get some more of that cornstarch stuff. Put it in there.
You don't have one left.
Put that back in there. Okay, now we're going to mix this up. It's getting super thick. Ah. Okay, look at that.
I'm gonna get another thing.
Wait, no, more time. Okay, so there is some still clumps. So there's like, okay, I've added way too much water. I multiplied our
I'm
Oobleck
sorry.
thing. It wasn't your fault, it's mine. I'm the one who told you to do that. Okay, so this is about what it looks like. I'm gonna add 1 more scoop of cornstarch.
I should have done 3 or 4.
Okay, there we go. Okay, so that is about what it looks like now. And it is super hard to mix. Like, I'm having struggles over here.
Can I try?
Hold on, wait a second. Now we're just gonna go in with our hands already. Ew. Okay, so what Oobleck is so when you apply pressure to it, it's a solid, but when you just let it roam, it's a liquid. So this is real cool, and I am really loving this.
But I wouldn't be because it's not open.
It is. It's super cool. I love it. It is so much fun.
Can I?
So, yes, go in there.
Yuck, my hands are purple now.
So, this is what Oobleck is. I really advise you to try this at home because it's so much fun. It's so easy, and it's a lot of fun making it. Okay. So thank you for watching this video. Please give it a like, subscribe, and I'll give a comment. Thank you for watching.